Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, we venture into this Mariam Sanda storyline. A lot of you of course will be aware of this lady's narrative. This lady of course that had reasons to end her husband in quite a forceful fashion because of their domestic disputes. So now of course she's in the clutches of the Nigerian legal system, and the verdict has now come in. And with that I bring you this: Mariam Sanda's death sentence devastating, Buhari's aid. So that's the headline. So already it looks as though the Malam Buhari regime is weighing in the direction of this lady. So again, the headline: Mariam Sanda's death sentence devastating, and this is attributed to a Buhari aid. So now let's now see what the Malamis have to say. President Muhammad Buhari's aide on new media, Bashir Ahmed, has reacted to the death sentence handed out by a federal high court in Abuja on Mariam Sanda for murdering her husband. Mariam is alleged to have murdered her husband, Bello, in November 2017 by stabbing him to death. He was the son of a former PDP chairman, Hilaru Bello. Reacting to the news, Ahmed described the incidents as devastating and traumatic. In a tweet, he said only Allah could strengthen the couple's families. He said, "I feel so sorry and sad for Mariam Sanda's daughter. Growing up to understand such devastating incidents is not going to be easy. May Allah give her the strength and be with her. Thoughts and prayers have been with Bilyaminu and Mariam's families. May Allah comfort them." So this is now what this guy has to say, and I am not really attributing to Buhari these comments that this guy is making, because this guy of course is very quick to comment in the public space outside the remit of his position. But of course this guy of course is absolutely incompetent. This is the guy of course that was attacking Jolade, Jolade, that's the Nigerian actress that they call homosexy. Jolade, I think her name was. This is the guy that was attacking her a year and a half to 2 years ago, because this lady now was so alarmed by something that she saw, and she called for good governance in Nigeria. And this guy then went on Twitter to say that you are calling for good governance because you are not now getting free money that you were getting from Jonathan. And this lady now had to then defend herself to say, look, I have never collected a free dime from anybody in my life, but this that I witnessed is so egregious that I had to speak out. And then because of course this guy is an empty brain, he then went on of course to attack her, saying that this, that and the other, because of course he's a brainless moron. So now of course now he's making this comment now, and this comment I am not going to attach it to Malam Buhari. Much as I loathe Malam Buhari as an entity, I am not going to attach it to him, because of course this guy is a total empty brain. This Bashir Ahmed is a total empty brain, so it is not beyond the realms of possibility that his lack of cranial function is coming into bear again in the public space. Conversations in the comment section though. The storyline of Mariam Sanda is really what we're looking at now, setting aside what this idiot of boy has to say. What are your thoughts? Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of this storyline in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join me in the comment section. But here I say peace.